This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Vivian Lugo CDPE, MBA. Available Jan and Feb 2025. Turnkey, gorgeous, remodeled, breathtaking lake views. 3-bedroom, 3-bath attached villa with a 2-car garage, in Lakeside North Naples. Open floor plan, vaulted ceilings, walk-in closets. Lakeside is a gated community with a 40-acre lake and offers many amenities, including 2 swimming pools, spa, and a 2-story Old Florida clubhouse, complete with sauna, weight room, shower, kitchen facilities, library and game rooms. Lakeside also features 5 clay tennis courts, tot playground, shuffleboard, bocce and basketball courts. A 1.5-mile walking path meanders through an award-winning lush landscape including 2 lighted lake fountains. Paradise is waiting. For more information, review the details below.